911, where's your emergency?
1310 Road Court. I'm sorry. I just was watching a live video of my cousin on Facebook, and she's down at her house. She killed a cat and is eating it. I need.
Right with her and the cat. What did you do? Why'd you kill the cat? Stand up.
She said she killed two kids.
Stand up.
I'm still worried.
Put your hands behind your back. Someone got rubber gloves. She's covered in blood.
I bet you got gloves.
You got rubber gloves.
I got check other ones. I do not have them.
95.
95.
Get one in custody. Where do you live at?
2255 hours.
Cuff her up.
Release, please. Can you get that light over here now?
22. 22.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's a lot of units close together around here. I haven't found anybody walking around. You can show me complete route to headquarters.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm putting a blanket on that back seat first.
You want to get some pictures of her hand, or we get to take pictures of the cat?
Yeah. I'll get it. We'll just do everything.
48.
Don't get in the car yet.
48. You contact the caller and have her come open the door for us. 10-4.
Hold on. So you have a right to remain silent on anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney if you can't afford one, won't be appointed to you at state's expense. You have a right to have that attorney present during any questioning. You have a right to stop answering any questions once they begin. Do you understand your rights? Do you understand? Smile for me.
Smile with your teeth.
Go like this. Did you eat that cat? Did you eat it? No, why'd you kill it? Get in there. It's ridiculous. Here. It's alright, other kitty, you're safe. Did you guys see all this?
No, we pulled up and she was just laying there with me.
Did you see her eating it?
Eating it.
She was eating it?
Yeah. She said, but it's blood on her shoes. She said she stumped it out.
Yeah.
Stumped the head out.
33, go ahead.
Well, you don't kill a cat and go to the hospital. You go to jail.
Southwest with Sam 410-221.
No,
Sam
she was saying that she
410-221.
killed 2 other kids. That's what she was saying. Yes.
Copy out at 10th and Duber with Sam 410-221. 2259 hours.
You guys never seen her report or anything?
No.
202.
I've seen her over there, but I
202.
don't know like what exactly.
You call the Humane Society, see if they'll come pick this cat up. It's deceased.
Copy. They will not pick up a deceased animal. It'll just have to be disposed of, but we can call them and ask.
234 advised me they would, and they'll hold it as evidence.
10-4, we'll explain the circumstances to them.
What?
So maybe she's going through something mentally.
Bro, she lost her mom, kids died, killed themselves.
Yeah.
She gave her kids to somebody. You know what I mean? To try to go get herself right mentally.
So she doesn't have her kids because she was telling people she killed them.
No, she did. She never killed her kids. Her kids was with a family member. She sent them to somebody to try to go get herself together. That person she sent them with was fucking beaten her. And went somewhere else.
Okay.
So,
Society coming out.
I don't know yet. Judy said they would, and they'll hold the cat as evidence. She destroyed that cat.
Yeah.
This is fucked. Go in here.